hear the ravens. Come on, ravens, do your thing. They were making a right racket before. They're being drowned out by the wood chipper now. Damn. I wish I could see them. I could see them before. They were making a right racket as well. They were having a bit of a squabble with some jackdaws. Oh, there's one. They've been using this tree for donkey's years. It's their tree basically, and I hope no one ever cuts it down. That pine tree. But yeah, they're always in there. And big birds, I like them. Member of the corvid family, of course, the biggest crow. Oh well. Typical, they've gone quiet. Oh, wish I could zoom in. I can see them. I can see one. There he goes. He's hopping about in the branches. Well, as soon as I stop filming, they'll be making the right noise again. Quack, quack, quack. Quaff the raven. And they do that sort of a gonk gonk sound as well. The pair of them there. I don't know. I think they pair for life. Well, that's their tree, them two. All year round. Right. I've got a job on here today. A lot of cutting back. I better get on with it. Oh, there goes one. Look at that. Big bird. He's gone into the smaller pine tree. Lovely day for it anyway. Nice bit of sunshine on a November day. It's been so grey lately. Right, back to work. Right, see ya. Oh, hang on. Come on, make some more noise. Right, I'll do. See ya.